Ram Thapa scores the first goal for Nepal. Wonderfully converted there by the right back. It's the first goal for Nepal. Nepal drawing the first blood.
Well, he took that one comfortably, though the goalkeeper headed towards the right direction. It was the pace by Ram Thapa that couldn't be stopped. Now it's time for Jared Sheikh. We mentioned before, he's done it in previous occasions, in bigger stage, in the previous semi-finals. Can he do it again? There you go, the goal scorer, Jetsun Dorji. Chance for him to level it. Some problem with the penalty box, or may we say the goal and net.
Pressure there for the player coming in, the number 7 who scored the goal.
Well, this is going to be an exciting shot. Jetsun Dorji will take the shot and he fires it well, sending the keeper Jared Sheikh in the wrong direction.
Silence in Sadhubara Zanfa complex here. Nepal now with the second penalty kick, wonderfully taken. He sent the goalkeeper the other direction.
Well, Abhinav, this has been a quite interesting one for both of the teams.
Now it's Avinash Shangtan, the midfield maestro for Nepal. Avinash does his job well, the number 17. He has been the talisman in this team. He has been one of the most crucial players, Avinash Shangtan. And he does so well in the test.
Well, he took that one easy. He took that one comfortably. What a easy goal. He made it look, Avinash. It's time for Bhutan to equalize. It's going to be Jigme Namgyal. Jigme. And that has been stopped! Rightfully stopped by Jared Sheikh. We were mentioning his heroics in the previous tournament. He has done it before and he has done it again. Look at that stop.
The savior, as we call him. And he has saved it right at the crucial moment, Jared Sheikh, with the captain's armband. He leads the way for the Golkhali boys. It's now an advantage scenario for Nepal. If Simanta can score, Nepal can be one step closer to the semi-final, to the final stage. Simanta! Can you hear it? Nepali football rejoicing here. Simanta with a wonderfully shot dispatched sends the keeper the other way.
Now this is the confidence, and you only learn from your mistakes, Avinav. In the previous tournament, Nepal went down against India in penalty shootout, but now they have improved that. Once again, it's time for Jared Sheikh to maybe stop this one. It's going to be Ugain Dorji who will be taking this shot. Can this be stopped again? And that will! Jared Sheikh! We hope Vincenzo Alberto Enes is watching this. And that will be taken again, maybe. It will. Some hesitation there. Oh, it's going to be Jared will be taking the shot. The goal was fair enough.
The captain, the talisman, Jared Sheikh on for Nepal to win it. one step closer to the final for Nepal. Jared Sheikh does it! Jared Sheikh sends Nepal to the final. Oh, what a moment for Nepali football here. This is what Nepali fans were looking for. This is what they were waiting for all this while. Nepal into the finals. Nepal gets their name. Jared Sheikh, the hero this time around. He is the one who has been the hero. He saves two and scores one.